Hello everyone, welcome to Sim Reviews, and we are back with another video. In this video we have got a new Windows 10, and as we promised for the review of this laptop, which we unboxed quite weeks ago, so we skipped the review for Windows 10. So here's our review on the Windows 10 now. So let's just start. As you can see, there's this new start bar, which is back, and you can of course change it to start screen if you love your Windows 8.1. So moving on to some new things is the new all apps. Here all the apps are sorted in terms of its name, and you can easily found out using the name which you are searching for an app or anything else. The next thing is the settings, which is now quite same as what we found on the Windows 10 mobile. If you have been following our videos on Windows 10 mobile, you would clearly see this. This settings app is now renewed, as there's no control panel now. So here's all the setting sorted with display and different your different brightness levels, where you can adjust your brightness level to different settings or different numbers. Here is the notification and actions, where you can select what notification and action you want, what icons should be shown in the notification bar. Where here is the notification, where you can expand and collapse it easily, which is good. And all of those different things is provided in this settings, with even the tablet mode on. When you on this tablet mode, there's this new back button for you, which would definitely helpful in your handling your PC well. And if you own a touchscreen 2-in-1 laptop or any other things, here's the device where you can all your different devices, if you are in a car, or speakers, or you are pairing with. The next, all the other things are same. The network, where you Wi-Fi, data usage, and other things. Where the great thing is found on this personalization, where you can change your background easily using this settings, where you can choose from colors, where all of this accent colors from, and there's lot of action this accent colors to choose from. And this is quite helpful, where you, even if you have a low system, you can make this start screen around opaque, which would help you, and also help you to save battery. And if you are making it transparent, is well and good. So it's quite I think bug type of thing which is going on. And other things are as same. The update and security, the Windows Defender is now is inbuilt in the updates and security, which is good thing. You don't have to install any other app. The Windows update would provide the updates for the Windows Defender and other things. So here is the desktop, and now when you start your PC or laptop, you directly get booted onto the desktop if you haven't selected the start screen. So the next thing is this new quick access, where all of your recent files is been stored, and this is quite great. All of these things are at one place, your PC, your network, and different things. And also some new changes to the folder view, which is a welcome change. The now folder icons are a bit different now, and also some redesigning of the wireframe style icons, and simple things has been done, renewed. The next, maybe the start screen, where your store and all of those things are located. So let's just open store and see what it has quite good. You can only have the white background in the store, no black, I think. And here's all of your Windows 10 apps. That's all the universal apps which you would be getting. And as you can see, here's there is update going on currently, so it's also a great and quite fluid and flexible. You can see all of those apps loading, and it's quite great to see this fluidity. And the universal app are all you will get on your Windows 10. So you have only got this store for your Windows 10 for updating or installing some new apps especially. And even Microsoft made an announcement where the developers can convert their system 32 apps in the Windows universal apps, so you could be using this easily. So here we have got a mail app, the calendar, the Microsoft Edge, photos, and all of those apps which comes with the Windows 10. That's the Groove Music, movies and TV, and all of those maps, and even much of the things. So let's the next is the task view, which is quite good. You can have more desktops in it, so let's just add that third desktop. Here is the desktop 2, where you can have all of your apps. If you have more apps open on the current desktop, you can add those apps in the next desktop by dragging it to the next desktop, and you would be easily it would be easy for working on different desktops. So it's quite good to see such changes, which were much needed changes in the Windows since many years, which has now been fulfilled by Microsoft in this. So now let's just have a look at the Mail app, which is here. The Mail app is the universal app, and it's quite fluid too, and also helps creating some new mail. You can create here all of those basic what a mail app does. It's great, and also quite good formatting and different stuff out here. Settings also is provided with same, where you can even change what your swipe right, swipe left does. So it's quite good to see such changes. And the next is the calendar app, which comes as a bundle with Mail app, and it's quite fluid too. And you have this all of your accounts linked to it, and even have your Facebook account linked to it. So you would be easily having all of the apps, all of your details, events registered here. The next app which comes is the Groove Music, which is now a rebranding of the music app of the Microsoft. And here also in Groove Music you get this handy controls in your taskbar, where you can play select next track and previous track, which is quite good and a welcome change in the, as it was in the Windows Media Player. So quite good update. Here is the video app. You can easily add video. We don't have much videos in the in our laptop yet. So here's the notification, how satisfied were you with the Windows. Now you can easily swipe this notification, and it would be dismissed. And that's quite beauty of this this application, or to say the whole of the Windows 10, and quite fluid experience. So although here is the People app, which you can use to store all your contacts and data, and all your contacts would be shown here. Maybe if you are using an Android phone or iOS or even the Windows phone, which you would be using easily with the phone companion app which Microsoft has provided with this build with
So-
much of a fun in this Windows 10, and it's quite good. You can, all of the things are customizable, even the start bar which you can select, and different sizes and different how much paints of the tiles you want, and quite good update from Windows 8.1. The users who would have been missing the start bar, the start menu, you have got it with Windows 10, and those much of the people would be missing the start screen, which is not much of an issue. You can even you can have your start screen working back with personalization and going into start while using the full start screen, even when you are booted to the desktop without using the tablet mode. You can use this start screen feature. And so let's just end a review here. We're gonna do much videos with Windows 10 with Microsoft Edge remaining, and all of those much greater apps remaining with this. So let's just end our review. This is Sim Reviews saying bye.